pasajeros, bienvenidos a Gran Canaria. Por favor, permanezcan.
This is the students in Coralejo, Fuerteventura. Surf spots everywhere. What a taxi! Yeah, from here you can go to Lanzarote as well by ferry, and I'm gonna find out how much it will cost. Another cat over there. I remember that situation in Cyprus. She's looking for fish. Hey, where you going? Where are you going? No, she's looking for crabs. Crabs, maybe. I don't know, but I think that I like Fuerteventura more than Tenerife. The landscape, the vibes. I just don't know. But nothing compared to Bali, Indonesia. Bali is the best place on the planet. That's for sure. That's 100% sure. Almost my camera fell down into the water. I am so clumsy sometimes. Couldn't be better. Over there is Lanzarote, Playa Blanca, La Isla de los Lobos over there. The ferry trip from here to Playa Blanca, Lanzarote costs 35 euros return. It's a 35 minutes ride one way. I'm not filming you, man. You're not that interesting. Playa Coralejo. It's pretty hot in here. Coralejo. It's a long way to Coralejo. It's a long way to Alice Springs. I said this to myself 20 years ago, before I went to Australia, to Alice Springs. 18 years ago, exactly 18 years ago, I was in Australia. I have been in Australia for the first time and for the last time. And I'm glad that I visited Australia at least once. It looks like an ice skating place. Kind of. Or am I dreaming? Coralejo dunes. Perfect. Very nice beach. Good morning, Vietcong. Today I rent a bicycle for 15 euros a day. Pretty good deal actually for a good bike in Fuerteventura. So I can go around and I have to wear a helmet out of town. If not, and the police catch me, there will be a fine for around 200 euros. Not cheap. Mine one is better. The bike that I have at home is better, a lot better. It's It's also a carbon bike. Carbon bike. Great good deal for 15 euros a day. And on Thursday I will go to Lanzarote by ferry. It's 35 euros return. It looks like a high desert, but it's just a desert. Coralejo dunes. And my bike, still okay, no flat tire, no damage. And around 25 degrees Celsius. That over there, that surf spot looks like a beginner spot, not like in Coralejo, a quite heavy spot. Uluwatu, Bali, Indonesia like, kind of. This is a spot, surf spot, soft surf spot for beginners. That's why there are some surf schools around here. It's a very small break. A Medamo, a carbon bike. Probably. Fucking big one is coming actually. Oh. That's the wave actually. What a mountain bike cycling bath. Perfect in Fuerteventura. On Fuerteventura. On, because it's an island. Sorry about my mistake. Better than a catch. Better than a case. Let's go to Playa del Burro. Oh no, Playa del Burro. cycling bath. What a dream, better than Bratislava, Vienna, or Lake Neusiedl, whatever. Wow, it's amazing. It's fucking amazing. Like the Australian sides, the Australians are fucking amazing. It's fucking amazing. It's amazing. No hay viento, nada. There is no wind actually. What a mess. Wow, what a mess. Let's go. All night long. All night long. Da-da. All night long. Actually big waves today, not huge but big. Fucking big, man. Fucking big. And there are some beginner girls over there. They look like beginners, maybe they are not, I don't know. Serangang beach in Bali, Indonesia. A little bit. I don't know why. There's just one food stall here. Private one. Serangang there are maybe 20. And huge waves out there. No one is surfing, I don't know why.
Hola. Very nice room in here. For 45 euros a day in Puerto del Rosario, Fuerteventura. A very big flat TV, a huge one, a fridge, aircon, and a very nice bathroom. Shower. Pretty good deal actually. Perfect.